Imagine waking up every morning to money hitting your bank account without a job, without a degree. That's the power of passive income, and it's something absolutely anyone can achieve. In this video, I'm revealing 5 powerful passive income streams that can pay you while you sleep. That's right, you can be on vacation, sipping a Mai Tai, and still be making money. Stay till the end, because the last method is the most profitable, and it might just change your life. All right, let's dive right into the first passive income stream, print on demand. This is perfect if you're creative or have an eye for design. But even if you don't, stick with me because there are ways around that. Print on demand lets you sell custom designed products online, things like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, even posters, without ever having to touch any inventory. Here's how it works. You create a design, upload it to a print-on-demand platform like Printful or Redbubble, and they handle everything else. They handle the printing, the shipping, the customer service, the whole 9 yards. You literally just upload your designs, set your prices, and that's it. When someone buys your product, they print it, ship it, and you get paid. Think about it. You could create a funny t-shirt design, a motivational mug, or even a unique phone case. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Now you might be thinking, Braden, I'm not a designer, and that's okay. You can easily find talented freelance designers online who can bring your ideas to life for a very affordable price. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines for finding skilled designers. You can even browse existing designs on platforms like Creative Market and purchase the rights to use and sell them on your print-on-demand products. The key here is to find a niche, a specific audience you want to target. Maybe you're passionate about fitness, gaming, or maybe you have a knack for creating hilarious memes. Find your niche, create designs that resonate with that audience, and watch the sales roll in. Print on demand is a fantastic way to build a passive income stream while unleashing your creativity. Now, let's talk about my personal favorite YouTube automation. You know I love YouTube, and this is a way to win on the platform without ever showing your face. That's right, you don't need to be on camera to make serious bank with YouTube. With YouTube automation, you're essentially creating a faceless YouTube channel that generates passive income through ad revenue. You choose a niche, outsource the video creation process to AI tools or freelancers, and upload consistently. It's like building a business that works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Now you might be wondering, what kind of niches work best for faceless YouTube channels? Well, there are a ton of options. Finance, for example, is huge on YouTube. People are always looking for ways to manage their money, invest, and build wealth. You could create videos about budgeting tips, investing strategies, or even stock market analysis. Motivation is another evergreen niche. People are constantly searching for inspiration, self-improvement advice, and motivational content. You could create channels around productivity hacks, goal setting, or even daily affirmations. And the beauty of it is you don't even have to be a financial expert or a motivational guru yourself. You can hire scriptwriters and voiceover artists to create high-quality content for you. Other popular niches include AI tools, luxury goods, celebrity facts, and anything related to travel or food. The key is to find a niche that's both profitable and interesting to you. Do your research, analyze the competition, and choose a niche that you can see yourself working on long term. Once you have your niche, it's all about creating high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your audience. You can use AI tools like Pictory or InVideo to help you create videos quickly and easily, or you can hire freelance video editors on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Remember, consistency is key on YouTube. The more videos you upload, the more chances you have to get views, subscribers, and ultimately ad revenue. Number 3, Now, if you're looking for a truly passive income stream that requires minimal effort up front, then you need to check out Amazon KDP. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and it's Amazon's platform for self-publishing books. But here's the kicker. You don't need to write a New York Times bestseller to make money with KDP. In fact, you don't even need to write a full-length novel. With Amazon KDP, you can create and sell low-content books, things like notebooks, journals, planners, even coloring books. These are simple, easy-to-create books that require minimal writing, if any, at all. You can create a notebook with a cool cover design, a journal with inspirational quotes on each page, or a planner with daily, weekly, and monthly spreads. The best part is you only have to create the book once. Once it's uploaded to Amazon, it's there forever, generating passive income for you every time someone makes a purchase. And trust me, people are always looking for new notebooks, journals, and planners. It's a massive market. Now you might be thinking, Braden, designing a book sounds complicated, but it's really not. There are tons of free and affordable design tools available online, like Canva, that make it incredibly easy to create professional-looking book covers and interiors. You can even find pre-made templates that you can customize to your liking. The key to success with Amazon KDP is to niche down and target specific keywords. Instead of creating a generic notebook, create a notebook for dog lovers, a journal for writers, or a planner for entrepreneurs. By targeting specific keywords, you increase your chances of ranking higher in Amazon search results and getting your book in front of the right audience. On to number 4. All right, let's talk about how some of the top creators and influencers make a killing online affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products or services that you love and getting paid a commission for every sale you generate. It's that simple. You're essentially getting paid to promote products you already use and believe in. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or PartnerStack. You then choose products or services that you want to promote to your audience. Each product or service will have a unique affiliate link that you can share on your website, social media, or even in your email signature. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get paid a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the affiliate program and the product or service you're promoting, but it can be anywhere from a few percent to as high as 75% or more. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, handle customer service, or deal with any of the hassles of running an e-commerce business. You're simply recommending products or services that you believe in and getting paid for it. Now, the key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and only promote products or services that you genuinely recommend. Your audience can spot a fake from a mile away, so it's important to be genuine and only promote products that you believe in. Build trust with your audience, provide valuable content, and recommend products that you know will benefit them. That's how you win with affiliate marketing. Last, but definitely not least, number 5, for the final and arguably most lucrative passive income stream on this list, selling digital products. This is my personal favorite because it allows you to leverage your knowledge, skills, and experience to create something once and sell it over and over again. It's the epitome of passive income. So what exactly are digital products? Well, they can be anything that exists in a digital format and can be downloaded online. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, stock photos, website themes, software. The list goes on and on. The beauty of digital products is that you only have to create them once. Once they're created, you can sell them an unlimited number of times without having to replenish inventory, deal with shipping, or handle customer service unless you want to. This allows you to scale your income exponentially without increasing your workload. Now, you might be thinking, Braden, I don't have any skills or knowledge that I can package into a digital product. And that's where you're wrong. Everyone has something valuable to share. Think about your passions, your hobbies, your skills, and your experiences. What are you good at? What do people always ask you for help with? Maybe you're a whiz at creating stunning presentations. You could create a template or online course teaching others how to do the same. Maybe you're a social media guru. You could create an ebook or course sharing your secrets to growing a massive following. Or maybe you're a master chef. You could create an ebook or video course sharing your favorite recipes and cooking techniques. The possibilities are truly endless. The key is to identify your strengths, package them into a high-quality digital product, and then market it to the right audience. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it incredibly easy to sell your digital products online. You can also use social media, email marketing, and even paid advertising to drive traffic to your sales page. So, there you have it. 5 powerful passive income ideas that can help you earn money while you sleep. Which of these ideas resonated with you the most? Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and tricks. I'm constantly uploading new videos on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship, so hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Finally, I've put together a ton of resources in the description below to help you get started with each of these passive income ideas. You'll find links to the best platforms, tools, and resources to help you succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your passive income empire today.